Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify schema drift in Stitch data pipelines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stitch account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your data pipelines. Select the specific data pipeline you want to verify for schema drift. Once inside the pipeline details, locate the Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab to access the pipeline configuration. Scroll down to the Schema section to review the current schema definition. Next, go to the Sync section of your pipeline. Initiate a new sync to ensure you're working with the most up-to-date data. After the sync completes, return to the Schema section in the Settings. Here, you will see the current schema as well as any changes since the last sync. To verify schema drift, compare the current schema with any previously saved versions. Make note of any new fields, removed fields, or changed data types. If discrepancies are found, you may need to address them in your destination database. To do that, assess how these changes will impact your existing data and reporting processes. Document any necessary adjustments for future reference. Finally, ensure that your team is aware of these schema changes for ongoing data integrity. This completes the schema drift verification process in your Stitch data pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.